Good morning, Richard. This is Richard at Tameron Honda in Hoover. First and foremost, I want to thank you for your recent internet inquiry on our brand new 2018 Honda Pilot. We've got one right here, right behind me. I can't wait to show you all the cool features on it, including Honda Lane Watch, Bluetooth backup camera, breakaway rear view, side view mirrors, and a whole lot more. Can't wait to show you them in person. Give me a call, 205-541-2862. Set you up with a VIP appointment and test drive. I'll have the Pilot pulled up, gassed up, ready for you and I to take it for a spin. Make sure you love everything about it and make this the easiest car buying experience possible. Again, Richard, this is Richard at Tameron Honda in Hoover, 205-541-2862. I can promise you one thing: when you get to Tameron, you're going to love the way you're treated.